What's up? This is Timur from the band Effendi. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of how to play a couple of the pieces from our new song, Coda's White Lightning. So, first off, we have the main introduction riff that repeats itself a couple times throughout the song. It's the key of E. We use the E pentatonic scale, E minor pentatonic. And so we'll start on the 5th fret on the low E, and then we're climbing in that position on the pentatonic. So 5, 7, 5, 7. Right? And then we jump into what's known as the Hendrix chord. This is middle finger on 7 on the A string. Then we have first finger on 6th string on the D, and then third on the G on the 7th, and then pinky on the 8th string on the B. So that's the Hendrix chord, and so so we just put that together. And you're going to use a lower E coming into it as well. So after that, little bend, and then follow up with the chord again. So it's going to go. Again, and then finish with a bar. So that's like a D, and then that same riff. So that looks like this. That's the riff. So then we have the verse, and we start off with that same chord that we just used. Just leave it open. Then it's like a C, but then we add in the 3rd finger on the D note on the B string. And then finish with an E minor. Sometimes you can switch up to a major too. So that's just... And you just repeat that. And then for the turnaround, this is pulled directly from Outside Woman Blues, I believe. So it's just, again, you're walking into that pentatonic. So starting on the G on the E string, A, open A, 1st fret, 2nd fret. Notice that's the same chord that I just made up here. That's on B though. And then jump into an A. So again, that looks like. And then that turnaround follows into the chorus, which is quite simple. It's really just E's and then a couple other chords too, but it's just. So just E chords, or power chords, and then you can add in a couple little trills in there. And then like a slide. On live, I'll do a bunch of different stuff here, but it's basically just whatever fills you want. And then G to D, and then back. G, D, and then you let it hold down E, C, and then back into the... That's it.